Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Mani Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this beautiful dip powder nail design. If you're new to my channel, I'm Cheraelsymone, bringing you the best tips and tricks for making your nails look beautiful and fabulously done at home. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. The products I'll be using today are Pro Dip Silver Dip Powder, Cherael Sky Dark Pink, Revel Nail Purple Dip Powder known as Rhythm, and Pro Dip Clear Dip Powder. I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm just applying Cherael Sky Bond to dehydrate the nails. If you don't have any bond, you can also use rubbing alcohol. They both do the same thing. Now I'm applying one layer of clear acrylic powder to my nails. This is done to build the nails as well as to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step. So starting on the pinky finger, I apply base to the whole nail. And then I dip my finger into the purple dip powder at an angle. Left it in there for a few seconds. Then I dip my finger into the silver dip powder at an angle. Then I poured the pink dip powder on my nails. I did 3 layers of this, but I only showed 2 layers. Now on the ring finger, I apply base to the whole nail, and then I started with the silver dip powder this time. So I dip my finger into the silver dip powder at an angle, left it in there for about 5 seconds. Then I take it off, and then I take it out, and then I placed it into the pink dip powder, and then I poured the purple on my nail to eliminate contamination of the other colors, because this purple is very pigmented. I also did 3 layers of this, but I only showed 2 layers. So as you can see right here, when I'm placing the base, I start on the lighter colors first and then went to the purple, just to eliminate the purple from contaminating the rest of the colors. And if you're getting value from this video, hit the like button below and comment your thoughts on the design as well. And don't forget to subscribe to get the best tips and tricks for beautiful and fabulous nail designs at home. So on the middle finger, I just did a few layers of the purple on my nails, So I'd like y'all to notice on the ring finger, you could see a bulge on the left hand side of the ring finger. That is because when you're doing color blocking, the side that you're laying on the most when doing the color block, it would create a kind of like a bubble on an internal bubble in the nail. So nothing is wrong with it. You just have to file it and everything will be fine. But sometimes those bubbles could be internal and leave it hollow, leave the inside of it hollow. So whenever you're filing, it could become an issue when you're filing that it would leave a hole in the nail, when you're filing. But most likely it doesn't happen, and if it does happen, you just apply a little bit of base and then pour some of the color into it, whatever color it was, into it, apply some activator, leave it for a little while, and then start filing again, and everything should be great after that. So as you can see again, I am placing the base on the lighter colors first and then the darker color, you know, just to eliminate the contamination again. Okay, so here I'm pointing to the pink area. As you can see on the ring finger, it's darker than the one on the index, and that is because I placed some activator on that area. I don't know why I did it, because I think I find the nail was looking a bit too white. Yeah, the pink area was looking a bit white. I don't know how to explain it really, but you know, it wasn't looking as dark pink as I would really want it. So that's why I placed the activator and it got it dark for some reason, and I kind of liked it. However, when I was going through my pictures and editing my videos, I realized, like, what the hell is this? How did the purple bleed on the pink? Because I was being very careful and I was so panicky and all these things. Then I realized, wait, didn't you put activator on the nails to get it dark? Come on, Cherael. So yeah, that is why it looks like that. It's not because the purple stained the color or anything like that. So yeah. So now I'm just encapsulating the nails. I did about 3 layers, I think, but I only showed 1 layer. But you could do as many as you would like, you know, to build the nails. It's just up to you. Then I applied a generous amount of activator to the nails, waited a while, then began filing. So this is after filing of the nails. And now I have a choice as to whether I want to apply the powder top coat or gel top coat. And I chose gel top coat. So now I will be using these nail stickers on the nails that I got from Amazon, which are really inexpensive. You guys need to check them out. So I'll be applying it to my middle finger and my thumbnail. And for once, I have gotten nail stickers that stick on to the nails, because I got some striping tape before some time ago, and none of them worked. I was so disappointed, wasted my money and none of them worked. It was so difficult to get on and it was not sticking on the nail. So yeah, now I'm just applying the gel polish to my nails, and then I cured for 60 seconds. If you were using the powder top coat to do this, you would apply the activator first, then you would apply the nail sticker right here, and then the top coat, you know, quick strokes for the first layer, then nice and even strokes for the second layer, and wait for it to dry. Well, wait for it to dry in between. So, you know, quick strokes, 3 quick strokes on each nail, wait 1 minute for it to dry, then some slow nice strokes, you know, just to get it shiny and whatever on the second layer, and you're good to go. Then when the nails cool down, I apply some cuticle oil, and this is the finished look. I hope you like this simple dip powder nail design. If you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!